Okay, we're going to jump into question 40 on test 1. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and open the book, get ready, look at that question. We're going to get ready to tackle it right now. I'll give you a couple seconds to get there. All right, so we're on question 40 on test 1. Now, the first thing I see here, I see a word problem. Okay, when I see a word problem, I do one really important thing, which is use the word problem strategy. Use your word problem strategy. It's so important to use that anytime you tackle this, especially with this one, because I'm telling you, if you were getting down into the actual math of this problem, it's a super simple problem. The hardest part of it is just reading the word problem, and the word problem strategy is the perfect way to navigate it. Okay? The first part of the word problem strategy is we ask ourselves, what are we trying to find? We read it once, find the thing that we're trying to find. We're looking at this problem, it's asking about license plates, and they want to know the total number of possibilities of a license plate that has 3 letters and 3 numbers. Okay, so we want to know the total possibilities. Is that how you spell possibilities? I don't know. This is in English, this is math. Okay, great. So the second thing we want to know is, what do we know? What do we know? So I went ahead and kind of wrote out, I'll put this 2 over here, wrote out this kind of diagram to help us examine what we know. It tells us that we have 3 letters of the license plate. So A to Z, so this is one letter A to Z, another letter A to Z, another letter A to Z, and we have 3 numbers, 0 through 9, okay? 0 through 9 so 3 letters, 3 numbers. Okay, so that's what we know. Now, the thing we're trying to find, doing the work, part 3 of the word problem strategy, is to organize it, boom, and solve it. So here's how we solve it. If this has A to Z, we know that this has 26 possibilities. And same with this one, 26, 26. There are 26 letters in the alphabet, so there are 26 possibilities for each one of these letters. Super simple, right? Now the numbers, don't get confused by this. If it's the 0 through 9, how many number possibilities are there? There are 10. Okay, even though it goes to 9, you just like 0 is an option there. So that means there are 10 individual numbers that could show up on this plate. So that's 10, 10, 10. Okay, now if we want to find the total number of possibilities of every number and every letter in this kind of format, it's pretty easy. You just multiply them. You just multiply them. And the good thing is, if you look at your answer choices, they have your answer choice here doesn't even require you to do any math. It just shows like 26 times 26 times 26 is 26 cubed. Okay? 10 times 10 times 10 is 10 cubed, which is answer F. That's the correct answer, the total number of possibilities of the license plate.